Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine today. Our subject is English and today's topic is alphabet. J K L. First we write J. Start with the straight line going down. Add a small hook at the bottom. Write the small letter. Start with the straight line going down. Add a small hook at the bottom. Put dot. The next letter is K. Draw a straight line going down. Add a diagonal line from middle to the bottom right. Again, add another line, diagonal line from the middle to the bottom right. Now, write the small letter K. Draw a straight line going down. Now, write the letter L. Draw a straight line going down. Add a small line at the bottom to the right. Now write the small letter L. Draw a straight line going down. Add a small tail. J K L. Do classwork plus homework on your notebook. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.